Please help me share the video. So, while we were at it, where were we? Where were we? Yes. So, yes, she cut off the relationship by herself. She cut off the relationship by herself. Okay? So, and then, yes, I asked her. When I asked her, like, why is this the reason? Because a lot of people have been assuming that they expect you to come out and say something when two people, you are friend with this one, you're friend with the other one, and two of them are headlock with each other, and your name is constantly being dragged into the middle, and then Kate is expecting you, have constantly called you out on it, expecting you to come out and just say something. Well, I understand live video is not your thing. You are not a presenter. You don't have any reason to come out and start explaining. And in fairness, to be quite honest, when you respect somebody you call your friend, you should know what they are capable of and respect it. What they don't want to do, respect their decisions. Yes. When you love your friend, when you have respect for your friend, you respect her decision. You respect their decision. If her decision is not to want to come out and say something, please respect that. All you need to do, she doesn't necessarily have to come out on social media and start talking. Just put a call through to her, hear from her, and that should be enough for you. Nobody else needs to hear her. The most important thing is you've heard our own side of the story. And then I said, did you bother to try to put, to find a way as much as you can, since the two parties, one said you are friends for 20-something years, the other one said she has a lot of respect and love for you. Did you bother to like settle this too? All right, because that is the grievance. This is Kate's grievances against you. All right, this is Kate's grievances against you. Did you bother to do anything in your power to make sure that these two come to a very conclusive resolution, to avoid, you know, dragging each other out, calling each other out, and avoid calling your name in the midst of their fracas and all that? She said, yes, she has done that. She said she has done that. She has pleaded with both of them privately, has even gone to the extent of trying to put both of them on a conference call just to trash the whole issue. She has begged this one, she has begged this one, but none of them seems to have respect for her at all, which is fact, if you ask me. None of them seems to have respect for her at all. It's as if they want to drag her out at all costs. And she told me that her annoyance was what Kate said to her over the phone as well, regarding the issue on ground. Okay, when she tried to like plead with her to stop throwing mouth to her rival, and then, you know, avoid anything that that will be causing commotion between two of them, whereby she is in the middle, and then before you know, they will be calling her name out. She said she tried her best. Yes, she said she tried her best, but a situation where none of them was ready to listen to her, none of them were ready to respect her decision to stay mute as a friend. There is nothing she can do. She just decided to stay away from both of them, which is what every other normal human being will do. So before I come there to you, Kate, I want to quickly say this. Did Kate's brother break Faith's heart? Please, let's take that fact. Let's stamp that fact today. Kate's brother did not break the relationship with Faith. Faith cut off the relationship between her and Kate's brother. Stamp that fact today, please, guys. Stamp that fact. Faith was the one who dumped Kate's brother. She was the one who cut off the relationship. She was the one who said, no, waka your waka, I want to waka my waka. I am not interested in this relationship anymore. And I asked her, are you pained that she's married, that he's married now? She said, no. Just that the reaction I expected from him was not there at all after I cut off the relationship, which every everybody will feel like that. Every woman will feel like that. Even if now you call off the relation, you just want to say, so this man, you love me like this, all right? But whatsoever, man, you can put one or two together there by yourself. Obviously, this guy was already in some kind of tense situation, cracking his head to how to handle it. And then you just came in and make it so easy for him by calling off the relationship. And his response was, okay, that's what you want. Okay, all right? Okay, if that is what you want. You understand? Okay, if that is what you want. So, yes, they trashed it and that was it. And according to her, she did all her best to settle the fracas between the two of her friends who had headlock with each other, but nothing worked. None of them respect her decision. None of them respected her trying to like make peace, and none of them respect her decision to want to stay with. They keep throwing words to her, they keep calling her out on it and everything. And then this is for you, my dear Kate. Kate, the ODL Kate show. Kate of ODL Kate show. Now this is coming from me to you. Sincerely. You know, I have decided that social media issue, I will talk on matters that I want to talk on. And there are some people that I have decided that, you know what, these are write-off. I will not talk on the matter no matter what. But this particular matter, I decided to talk on it. Kate, I want to use this opportunity. This is coming from one person with a sound reasoning. And I hope you understand where I'm coming from with this as well. I want to say this to you, Kate. Our relationship on social media, every relationship doesn't have to end like this. You understand? And I want to indulge you today to please, if not for anything, for the sake of your past relationship with Faith, for the fact that you both have been friends for over 2 decades, as you said, for the fact that you said your mama now give her to somebody, make it bring come for abroad, for the fact that she once had a relationship with your brother before she traveled abroad, for the fact that there was something that was meant to happen that ended up not happening, for the fact that you see this person as your sister once upon a time. Please stop calling out Faith on your platform. Stop, please. I know in the quest for you to want to defend yourself,